Whoa! Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie and I'm on the island of Speakon. Look at that array of miniature presses. It's all for kids with presses. Last Friday, the 21st, we had two kids working here on the Kids with Presses concept. And today is unboxing day, the 28th. And I have one more of the Kids with Presses books. This is kind of an experiment because it's a very little book. It's only 6 inches by 6 inches. It's quite nice. It's, again, a collection of all the kids around the world that we have received from parents and homeschoolers and workshop directors of Kids with Presses. This one is from Amsterdam. This is at the Amsterdam, the Rembrandt's House Museum, where they have kids coming in and using a replica of the Rembrandt press. And these are kids holding up replicas of the Rembrandt etchings. Great stuff. I love this little book. And this one has more writing in it too. I love to tell more stories about Kids with Presses. And I'm working on it. Thanks for watching.